Here's how to improve Instagram engagement rates. Instagram engagement rate is a metric that measures how actively your audience interacts with your content. Instead of just looking at the total follower count, it calculates the percentage of people who actually take action, like liking, commenting, saving, or sharing your post. To improve this rate, you need to align your content with what the algorithm prioritizes most: watch time, saves, direct message shares. Start your short video immediately with a strong visual hook in the first 3 seconds to stop the scroll and maximize your completion rate. For text or image post, use multi-slide posts structured as quick checklist or micro guides, which naturally compel users to tap the save button so they can reference the information later. You also want to write captions packed with natural search keywords rather than block of generic hashtags, and spend the first 10 minutes after publishing replying to early comments to kickstart a deep conversation thread. By following these steps, you can improve Instagram engagement rates. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.